viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to watch Peacock in Tesla. So let's get started. The process is simple. You have two methods. First method is Tesla's built-in browser. First, park your Tesla streaming service only work when parked. Then connect to Wi-Fi or premium connectivity. You need a data connection. Now open the browser and tap the web icon on your screen. Go to Peacock website. And here, try Incognito. If you have trouble logging in, open a new tab and use the Incognito to private mode, often found in the browser settings to access Peacock. Now, you have another method, HDMI mirroring. It's more reliable. For this, get a kit. Purchase a smartphone mirroring kit that connects your phone to the Tesla screen by HDMI. Follow the kit's instruction to mirror your phone and launch the Peacock application on your mirror phone, and that's how you will be able to watch Peacock in Tesla. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.